Hello, my name is Mark Ailing. Welcome to MGA Sculpture Studio. I opened this studio in 1996 in St. Louis, Missouri, and moved the studio to St. Petersburg, Florida in 2005. And I opened the studio because I love to make sculpture. MGA Sculpture Studio specializes in public art, but we also do private commissions, and we make work that is unique to my interests that's available through Softwater Studios Gallery and through the studio here. At the studio here, you will find large-scale public art projects that vary in materials, but a lot of steelwork, some casting, and the pieces that we do go all over the United States. My favorite thing about making things for a living is the problem solving. Unique, creative problem solving, how to do things, that really inspires me. I also really enjoy investigating the inherent mathematical formulas that are found in nature. I find that they have a lot of truth in them, and they're really inspiring, and that's a great point of departure for projects. Making this kind of work is a very involved process, and it requires a lot of skilled hands and a lot of ability. It takes a village, so to speak. I have about 10 crew members between our front end with the office that helps screen jobs and projects through the design process and the actual fabrication and installation. So there are a lot of artists that work here, and I'm very fortunate that I get to help out the creative community, and they get to help me out. So it all works out really well. I'm located at the Arts Exchange in the Warehouse Arts District, which is at the corner of 5th Avenue South and 22nd Street. I'm normally open for business 5 days a week from 9 o'clock in the morning till about 6 p.m. and I'm available by appointment for studio visits if you want to give us a call at 727-327-3473 or by visiting the website at mgasculpture.com. Please come visit us at Art Walk. We're available every Art Walk, which is second Saturday from 5 to 9 p.m. Thank you.